Industry 4.0 promises many ways of creating value and increasing productivity. Yet most executives still ask, what value can it bring to my company? Which key technologies are relevant for our industry? And how can we start our digital transformation journey? The Digital Capabilities Center in Aachen specializes in answering exactly these challenging questions. We systematically support you on your digital journey with a real-life demonstration, learning, and testing environment. The DCC is the ideal place to unleash your digital transformation. Increase your productivity, reduce your time to market, increase your forecasting accuracy, reduce your machine downtime, and much more. With our proven three-pronged approach to sustainable large-scale transformations, we challenge your company's operating system, your management infrastructure, as well as your capabilities, mindset, and behaviors. The DCC Aachen, founded by McKinsey and ITA in collaboration with PTC and leading technology partners, offers a unique combination of industry-specific showcases, thrilling experiential learning modules, and a testbed for piloting and scaling up new digital operation technologies. Plus, the DCC network spans the globe. You can receive tailored capability-enhancing support anywhere and anytime. The Digital Capabilities Center Aachen. Compete and win with Industry 4.0.